Hello friends, today's video is about this portable air conditioner from Bluestar. It is of 1 ton capacity and it is called portable because it doesn't need any professional fitment and no need to drill your wall or window. If you are not confident, you can ask for Bluestar assistance by contacting their customer service. Anyway, it is very easy. All the tools and tubings are available inside the package. You can see the specification here. I couldn't find the star rating for this product anywhere. Actually, only one model is available, that is 1 ton. This is the piping. You can see the hot air pipe, which I have installed myself. I have installed it to this window using this plastic part which came along with the air conditioner. This is actually expandable pipe. You can see how it changes. Actually, acute bend is not good. And see the amount of water collected by 2 days. Not continuous use, around 5 to 8 hours of use, I have collected this much amount of water. So ideal would be you keep the air condition at this level and you keep the water outlet through the window outside, and also it is better to keep the hose pipe more straight without any bends. Better cooling will be there. You can see I have properly covered all the leakage, that is hot air is coming out of this pipe, so you have to insulate it well or the cooling will be less efficient. Now I will turn it on and you can listen to the sound. You can use this remote control or you can use the switch panel here. You might think it is loud because I have kept the phone very close to the blower. Actually, it is not that loud. The sound level is actually well that of any regular fan. Actually, it is silent, more silent than a regular air cooler. So nothing to worry about that. It comes with 4 wheels, so you can easily move it around, no worries. So it is not that portable like an air cooler, but it is portable in the sense that you can easily take it along with you whenever or wherever you are going, and the installation is rather easy. You can do it in 1 hour max, so no issues, and the cooling is quite efficient. When it comes to cooling a small to moderate size room, of course it won't be good for a large room. It can act as a personal cooling device even outdoors. So you are seeing the hot air outlet and the wastewater outlet. You can see my room, this office room is actually small, so this product is ideal for my room. That is why I went for this instead of a regular split AC which I have in my bedroom. Again, from Bluestar itself, I have been using it for past 10 years without any issues. So Bluestar is a good and reliable brand. So before summing up, I will like to point out a few more things. This needs a 16 amps power outlet. Since I don't have a 16 amps outlet in my room, I am using an extension box. Another thing, always try to keep the pipe as straight as possible without acute angles. You can see how I have installed it. I have covered it with a thermocol for better cooling, and I have also kept an exhaust fan to take out all the hot air being trapped underneath this window curtain. So you can see the exhaust fan, so that now the cooling is very efficient after this setup. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support my channel for more useful videos in future.